is Riad, City IU, where we've been staying for the past couple of days, and this is the best Air BnB Riad in Marrakech. Let me show you around. The opening part of the Riad. This is what makes it a Riad, that we don't have a roof. We've kind of got this covering so that the rain doesn't get in, which has been very helpful, but this open part is what makes it a Riad, and it's absolutely gorgeous with the tiles, with the plants. It is such an open, airy space. I absolutely love it. So just off this open bit is the sitting room, which is a really cozy space. You wouldn't think it would be so cozy considering the walls are tiled, but it really does. It's lovely for in the evening. We've been chilling in here when it's been raining. We've got the ginormous TV, which we've managed to get YouTube to play on, but that is the only thing. It's like a smart TV. We've got heaters, we've got sofas and seating, and a little dining table for when we want to eat in here. We pre-booked our taxi from the airport, which I definitely recommend doing, and our host Kamal came out and met us at the taxi to bring our bags over. It was absolutely chucking it down with rain, so we were very grateful that he did, because we would have never found it otherwise. Then his wife came and made us mint tea and made us feel very welcome, and we are just opposite a hostel called Hostel Cami, and one of the girls from there who spoke English came over and told us a bit about the local area. And having the hostel just on the other side of the street has been so helpful. We went there for breakfast on our first morning because we didn't know where any shops were to get breakfast, and they've been so great at telling us where to go, giving us recommendations and advice. So that made our first night and morning in Marrakech go very smoothly. This is the bathroom. Not really too much to say about this, apart from the shower is really good. It gets really hot and it's really high pressured. What more could you want? This is the first bedroom, just leading off the central part of the Riad. It's got 2 single beds, but they could be pushed together for a double bed. We booked this through Air BnB and it worked out about £90 per person for the 4 of us for 8 nights, which is pretty good. So this is our little kitchen. We've got everything you need for a kitchen: hob, fridge, kettle. So it means that we can do our own cooking if we wanted to, but to be fair, we've just been eating out a lot. The location of this Riad is absolutely amazing. We're in the Medina, right in the middle of it all, and we're about a 10-minute walk in a straight line to Juma El Fana, the main square. So it's very easy to find and you're unlikely to get lost. So this is our mezzanine floor balcony type thing where you can see over the rest of the Riad, and in here is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. We've got a bigger than double bed. It's absolutely massive and it's really comfortable, as well as the traditional Arabic kind of curtains surrounding the bed, and there's a lovely design on the ceiling as well. This is our roof terrace, which is definitely our favourite part of this whole Riad. We get the sun here most of the day and we just relax. Sunbathe. We've got lots of plants and greenery. We also have this little nook area, which is lovely for in the evenings. We light the candles, have your green tea or have a drink, and you could even sleep up here, but we haven't tried that yet. and you can probably hear a lot of sounds of the city around, the birds, local people shouting and talking to each other. There was a wedding the other day, so we could hear that, and it's lovely to wake up in the morning to the sounds of the place where you are. It's very kind of relaxing and you feel like you're definitely on holiday. All of the hotels and hostels around here are called Riads, but I'd really recommend looking for a real Riad on Airbnb such as this one. It means we've had a really authentic experience being right in the centre of it all, and I'd wholeheartedly recommend booking this Riad if you're coming to Marrakech. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Let me know in the comments if you've stayed somewhere else in Marrakech that you really enjoyed and we can exchange some tips. Make sure you keep an eye out for the rest of my videos about Marrakech, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.